Hello everyone, welcome to the WeConnect tutorial series. My name is Dylan Richardson, I'm the co-founder of app.weconnect.chat, and in the tutorial series we want to share with you different aspects of our product. So we're going to cover the different features, components, and also use cases that are available with our product. So the first series, the first tutorial will be about the core components of our product, or the USP, if you will, of our product, and that is building a hybrid conversational experience, which means you are building a automated chatbot and you're seamlessly integrating that into a live conversation, live chat, or live video chat. That's the key part of our product, and we believe that this hybrid model will decrease the lead to contact time. So we see that there's a lot of contact forms on website, there's a lot of lead generation online, but with our product we want to decrease the capturing of a lead to having a live conversation, and we believe that you want to have that instantly. Scientific research has also shown that the faster you are to responding to a lead, the more chances you will have in having a quality conversation, but even converting this lead to a client. So without further ado, let me just dive right in to our product. So I'll share my screen. So here you see the sign up page. Our sign up page is where sign up page is here, but this is the sign in page. So I have an account, of course. If you don't have an account yet, you can go to app.weconnect.chat, or you can just visit our website weconnect.chat, and you will be able to sign up there. It's pretty easy. So I have a Google account. I'm going to sign up with my Gmail account and then log in here. Let me delete this one because I just created that one. Okay, so here we are. This is the dashboard. In the dashboard, you see different conversational experiences that you have built. So you can build endless conversational experiences with also in the dashboard you have a product tour. Actually, on every page within our product, you can click here and you'll get a product tour through which you can see how our product is working. You can also change the language. I won't go in too much detail on this part, but what we want to do now is we want to create a conversational experience, because we're going to create a chatbot that integrates with a live chat component and does that in a seamless way. So I'm going to create a new conversation here. You can build from a template. I'll just show you how that looks. We're not going to do that now, but you have different templates. We are going to build more templates in the coming month, but you have templates here and you can just select it and see how it looks on different devices, and then you can use the template if you like it, and then you can start modifying from there. Sometimes it can be easier just to see the options that are there and just start modifying. What we're going to do now is we're going to create a conversational experience from scratch. So we're going to call it WeConnect Chat, and what we want to do is we want to create a conversational experience for our company. So we're going to do it, just going to show you how that will look and what the options are in that use case. So, but when you start, when you create your conversational experience, you'll end up in the builder. The builder has 4 steps. It's very straightforward. The first step is building your conversation flow. So you have different components. We'll cover a few components today. For different components you can use to create your automated chatbot. We also have a design part where you can design your conversational experience. We'll not go into too much detail of that either today, but it's just important for you to know that you can create an entire landing page conversational. You can create a widget, which are these icons that you see in some parts of the website, and we can embed the conversational experience into a chat or into your website. For now, what I'm going to do now is just make it. I'm sometimes pretty critical on the design, so I'll just select a just select some nice color. Doesn't really matter. Okay, and I'll make sure that we have this set up as well. Okay, and then there's a settings where you can configure. You have different settings for your conversational experience, and then you can launch it on step 4. We're going to start with step 1 because this is the most important part if you want to build an automated chatbot and integrate it into a live chat. So we're going to show you how to do that. So let's just start off with having a nice hello component. What I like to do is I like to use a GIF, and we can integrate those very easily within our product. So we have the hello GIFs. There will be a lot of them here. We're going to select one of them. We'll select this one, and we're going to embed. So you just go to Giphy, select the GIF, and you go to copy link, and you just collect the GIF link, and then you go back to our product. You go to the image, and then you add the URL of the GIF here. You click OK, and then you'll have your GIF. So what we're going to do now, right mouse click, we'll select the image properties, and then we're going to make the GIF a little bit smaller. We don't want it too big. Well, there's also a lot of text here. I don't want that. Oh no, it's not there. Okay, now we're going to save the changes, and then we have our first message. There's also a flowchart which will start developing as we build our conversation. So what I want to do now is I want to use the use case of our website. So we of course have a conversational marketing or experience platform. So we have software, and as a software company, our audience will be looking for certain aspects or certain topics. So one of the topics could be the pricing of our product. Another topic could be the features of our product. What are the components or features that we have? Another one might want to know something about the management or about the company culture, and will want to know more about WeConnect. And possibly someone wants to know something about our masterclass that we created. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to create a simple automated bot that finds out what is the user looking for. And what we can do is we can use the multiple choice option. So what you'll get here is what we can ask is the first question is, how can we help you? Pricing, what I just said, product features. About WeConnect, company, culture, something like that. And we can say the master class. Okay, so we have the different multiple choice options here, and we'll just save that for now. It's already looking better and better. The next thing we want to do is we want to make sure that after every option, so you'll see here in the flow chart, we have 4 options. The conversation continues depending on the option that they select. So for pricing and product features, we probably want to speak to this person because they have an interest in our price or they have an interest into our product features. For the company culture, maybe we don't want to speak to this person directly, but first we want to share a link we have about our company culture or about our company. And for the masterclass, we also want to share the link that we have. So how are we going to do that? So we're going to first select our live assistant option. And the live assistant option is the most important component that we have, because this component makes sure that you can integrate our product, our chatbot, into a live conversation environment. So how do we set that up? We want to have a live chat, which means live messaging. So this will be what you've seen probably more often, a live chat option. And we want to have our video call. I would say, how would you like to connect with us? And then we can say live chat here. And we can say video call here. We're going to, step 1 is of course selecting what you want. We want both. Then we can set up the virtual assistant. So step 1 of setting up the virtual assistant, or the first step is actually defining the welcome message. So for the welcome message, we want the user to know that we are looking for an agent or for someone. So let me connect you to an employee, I would say. And then for offline, no, we are not available. Make it more personal. We are not available. Please leave us a message. So thank you. Let me connect you to an employee, and we are not available. This you can of course modify to what you like better. Step 2 is assigning agents or team members to the live chat environment. So this is me. I'm an admin. I'm setting up this conversation as an admin. There's a difference between me and an admin, is that the admin has access to the whole product, and the agent only has access to the live chat environment. So just in basic understanding, the agent can only receive messages and start having conversations, and the admin can also build the conversational experience like we are doing now, and also analyze the data. So I'm going to select, as an agent I can have several different bots assigned to me. So I'm going to assign this bot to me as well, and I'm not going to invite an agent for now. I can always do that in a later step. So then I'm going to hit next. So what we have here now is an offline form. So if one of the agents or one of the employees is not available, so I'm not available, the user will get an offline message, and you can customize this offline form so that you can always call the user back. And we'll just finish that here. Now you have that set. Step 1, step 2, we already did step 3, and we filled in the options. We're ready to go save changes. So we'll now have this component set up as well. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that the pricing and product features link to this one. So for now it automatically will link, but you can, if you will understand, if you have more and more components, it will be more and more difficult to keep that overview, but also you will need to start aligning you'll start need to assigning the components to each other. So you do that with a logical jump. So for the pricing, we want to jump to how would you like to connect with us. For the product features, we also want to do that. We'll just save it for now. For the about page, we're going to do a link. So there are different components we have here. We'll go to the link, and with the link component, so we'll just say learn more about our company culture here, and then we'll put about us, link about us, and we'll just add the about us page. The link to that page we'll just put right here, and then we're going to have the user open that into a new tab so they don't lose the conversation, and we're going to save that here. We're going to do that again for the masterclass. So what we can do is we can duplicate this link option, and then we'll just do learn more about our master class here, and then we'll just go to our master class, and then we will add that to this link, and we will save that here. So now we'll just assign these as well. So we're going to assign the about WeConnect company culture, we'll assign here, and we'll assign the masterclass to learn more about the masterclass here. Click done. So what we want to do now is we want to make sure that you can keep, as you can see, you can keep developing this conversation. But for now, you can see it in the flowchart here as well, how that is looking. The only thing is that what will happen now is that if you go to the About WeConnect Company Culture, you will go to the first link and then automatically to the second link. So what we want to do for this one, we want to stop it. So when you go to the company culture, we will say that there's no jump, but we're going to the end of the conversation for now. So then it will start looking like this. And also the connect agent will also go to the end of the conversation. Save changes, done. So this is how the flowchart will start looking. Yeah, and then we can go to what we're going to do, we're going to go to the design components, and we're going to, for now, we can use a nice conversational landing page. We'll just select a a nice color theme. You can play a lot around with this. You just make a nice background theme for your chatbot. These colors are not the best, but we'll just go for it for now. And yeah, let's just see how this is looking. This is an entire landing page. What I said, you can also embed the bot into your website, so that we've done that here. I'll show you that in a moment. So you can embed it. When you embed it into your website, you'll get it like this. So it will be in your screen, which can look very nice because you'll make your website more interactive. But for now, we'll just use the landing page because we're not going to implement the code on a website. So what we want to see is how this works seamlessly. So we're going to hit the pricing button. And then we're going to say we want to have a video call as a user. We want to have a video call now. Let me connect you to an employee. And what you see here is we're getting right top corner, we're getting a notification that says there's an incoming video chat. I click here and it opens our agent dashboard. And in our agent dashboard, you see here, start the video call. These were previous calls. You have them sorted. And when I click here, start the video call, the user will receive a message that it's going to start. Let me see. Oh, this one is it. This is the one. So start video call. And there's here, you can see the link. So click here to start the video. So the user will click here to start the video, and in real time, without installing any software, or you'll have a live conversation with an agent who just accepted the call, who's already sitting here, who can already set up his screen, share his screen, different functionality in the product. And here the agent will just, or the user will enter their name and email, and they can start chatting. So that is that. Let me just click that away for now, and I'll just close. So it's very important as an agent that you can see here that the green color means that you're still in a conversation, and red means you are done with the conversation. It already says live video is done, live video is started. So it's important that you click this red button, and that means you've ended the conversation. And as an agent, you can only do one video at a time, because you cannot manage multiple video conversations at once. So that's why we built that. So we're also going to look at the live chat, so how that looks. So now we're going to move to the live chat instead of the live video. So I want to have a live chat. The same thing applies. I'm getting a notification here from Google. I also have it in my dashboard. Click here, it's coming in. I accept it, or I can reject it here. I accept the conversation, and the user can start. So here it is. I can start. So you can see agent Richardson Dillon. I need to change my name still, but you can put whatever name you want there, and I can say hello, and here I'm getting a message, and I see hello, how can I help? So what we're still going to build is that you can also move from the live chat to the video again, so that there's also an integration between these two. But for now, this is how it works. And here in the chat, I see how can I help, and that's how I can start having a conversation. So this works very seamless, very good, and as you can see, you can really choose when to insert this live chat functionality. So as a software company, for me, it will also be interesting to share for a demo. So I can share. Someone's on my website, and someone wants to have a conversation. So I have it already built into our homepage. So here you can see how that works. So I'm already assigned to this one as well. So if someone's on our website and I'm now in the live chat environment, let me click this one away. All the videos are closed, so I can show you how that works. I can just go through this same part. This is just to show how our video is working. I want to have a video call. Bum. I get a notification. I can click on it. I'm in our dashboard again. I see, hey, there's a video call. I can still do the chatting while I'm in a video, so that's fine. But I can now also open the video, and in real time I'm having a conversation, and then I can share my screen and make sure that I can share my product. So as a software company, or as anyone who wants to share their screen, it's also a very handy tool. Another important aspect I didn't share yet is that there is the possibility to notify all the users on the website that a conversation is starting. So a demo is starting. So if you want to use this as a use case for having a demo, one interaction, so one person who is here does this, and I have, let's say, 30 people on my website now at the same time, just navigating my website, researching some stuff, maybe not even really doing that much on my website, just having it as a tab open. The good thing is that one person can trigger that everyone that's on my website will get the notification that there is a demo going to start. So one request can serve many people on your website, which I think is also a very nice feature. It's now implemented standard here. So when I'm here, I'm getting a notification. I accept it. Bum, accept it. And when I accept it, okay, I need to start the video. You can see the demo is initiated, and then everyone will get this notification when they're on our website, and they can all join the demo. So it will scale to many, which is also something we're very enthusiastic about. So that was for this video. That was what I wanted to cover. So how can you create an automated bot and integrate that with a live conversation component? So what we'll cover in the next videos will be the components, responses, analytics. We'll also cover some use cases. So how to create a hybrid model for a software company. We'll be covering different components, different use cases, so that you really can find what is useful for you. One of the other important things we'll cover is how to implement this product onto your website, how to use it. We'll make sure that that's easily shown, so that you'll be able to do that in an easy way. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and hope to see you at the next one. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at Twitter. I'll put my contact details in the notes. Have a great day. Bye bye.